Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see how to rename the program number. Switch to Edit mode. Press Program button. Press Program Soft key. Place the cursor over the program number. Type the new program number that you want to save. Then press Alter button. You can see that the program has been renamed to 00015. Again, I will try to rename the program number to 07569. Then press Alter button. You can see that the program number has been changed to 07569. Press back arrow soft key. Press folder soft key. Place the cursor over the program that you want to rename. Press OPRT soft key. Type the new program number that you want to change. Now press Rename soft key. Now you can see that the program has been renamed to 05896. Now type 07842. Press Rename soft key. You can see that program number has been renamed to 07842. Thank you for watching the video.